Yo, fellas, welcome back to the Horsey Boy YouTube channel. And today I am doing this video because one of my friends requested it. And that friend is Quadruped Productions. He is my best friend on YouTube. And he asked me in my Permian size comparison trailer video that how do I make these walk cycles that look extremely accurate. Well, today, I am going to be showing him and all of you guys how I create my walk cycles. And I am going to be demonstrating that with the paraceratherium stick figure of mine, which is probably one of my most detailed stick figures that I have ever made. Yeah, and look at this thing. Now, what I like to do first is I just like to pose the legs in a perfect standing pose. You don't have to do this, but I usually do it. I usually start with this leg. If this stick figure has like these invisible joints that I usually have in my stick figures, then you could use those too. So, my first pose usually looks like this. Yeah. You gotta pose the head and make it like Bob or something. Like how real animals do. And this is a quadrupedal walk cycle, so it's for animals and prehistoric creatures that walk on 4 legs. Wait, I just noticed an error on this stick figure. Oh my god, I have to fix that later. I do not like to see errors on my stick figures. They're always so annoying. But yeah, I'll stop rambling. Did I move it too much? I moved it a little bit too much. stuff around here. I'm really sorry if this is a bit hard to do, but this is my way of making these walk cycles. Doing some final changes. Yeah, it looks pretty accurate now. You gotta like make the head bob like how real animals bob their heads whenever they walk. Then you can move the tail. And what I usually do is add tweened frames like this. Walk cycle is done. I'm gonna make this a bit faster though. Yeah. And that's how you make accurate walk cycles. And I will see you guys in the next one. Have a nice day, take care, and goodbye, fellas!